Hello guys, I am Chirag Darji and I am here to tell you about a course. So let's get started. So what comes to your mind when you think about the two letters CS? Some people might think it is a Counter Strike. No. Some people might think it is a computer science. No. CS also means company secretary. So let me tell you about this course offered by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. This is a professional course offered by ICSI. So this is a 3 years course where students after appearing 12th apply for this course. The first level is foundation, you have to clear that, then executive, then professional. After clearing this 3 years course, after studying that, you have to apply for an internship anywhere in a company or a firm for 2 years nowadays, and after completing the internship you get a company secretary job, a senior position job in a company or a firm as you wish. So this is not just a normal course as people think that people don't value this course, but this is a professional course and there are many requirements for company secretary in a company nowadays. So if you do this course or you wanted to do this course, you can apply for this course. This is a 3 years course, and if you are interested in law or law related subject, so you can apply for this course. Or if you wish to do compliance related to companies, any compliance from the beginning till end, all the compliance, if you are interested in doing this all, so you can apply for this course definitely. And if you are interested in law, especially as company law is the main subject you should know about it, so if you are interested in that, then you can apply for this course. After completing this course, you have to make sure that you have to do all the compliances related to company from the beginning till end, as such like making minutes, doing the compliance, annual filing of the company, doing BSc related compliance of listed company, doing NSC related compliance, doing foreign compliances of the company. From the every compliance from the start till end you have to handle it. You are the key managerial person of the company. Company secretary is not a normal course. It should be valued the most, as it is also the professional course. Like as such, CA is that chartered accountant. The same way this is also a professional course, as many people underestimate this course and many people don't know about this course especially. So the purpose of making this video is that people should know about this course, and people should join or people should apply for this course if they are interested. So thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, you can share on your WhatsApp group or with someone who is interested in doing the company secretary course. Thank you.